So now we'll be doing peering. So I'll create a VPC, two VPCs now. Okay. So it will be VPC A, VPC A, and I'll create as a 10.0.0.0/16. So I'll create. Okay. Then again I'll create one more VPC, which is VPC B. So it will be like 172.16.0.0/16. I told it should not overlap. So I'm created the VPC. You just create which should not overlap. That's it. Again come to subnets. So now I'll create a subnet. How many subnets should I create now? Huh? Two, right? How one you can do? VPC A is different, B is different, right now. Then how will they both communicate if they're having only single subnet? Got the scenario? So now I'll go to VPC A. We can do it private communication also, public also. It's left to it. So this so it is VPC A. So VPC A is 10.0.0.0/16. So I'll take the subnet now. Subnet I'll create as 10.0.0.0/17. So I'll create a subnet. If you are getting any errors creating subnet, just use Visual Subnet Calculator. Okay. Again, now I have to create one more VPC. Sorry, subnet. So it will be VPC B. So it is 172.16.0.0/16. So now I'll create subnet as name as VPC B, and its availability zone and 172.16.0.0/17. So now I created the subnet. You can you can use anything. Okay. So I created VPC A and VPC B. So next I'll create internet gateways. Create an internet gateway. Internet gateway for VPC A. So I'll create internet gateway and attach to VPC A. Attach. Okay. So by that time I'll just launch two instance. So how I'm gonna launch means VPC A I'll take as public, VPC B as private. So these both from public to private they have to connect. Getting? Or should I take public? Anything is fine, okay? So I'll launch an instance. So first I'll take as VPC A. Uh, I'll just finish this. That's the reason you have to sit in CCNA classes. At least till submitting. All traffic. So I'll launch instance. So now I'll take VPC B. So I'm launching two instances. No, they cannot communicate. Okay, now I have created two VPCs. VPC-A should communicate with VPC-B. Okay, so now uh, I'll go to VPC. So by default, one VPC are not able to communicate with other VPC. So we are going to do peering right now. So now I created what? Like I created two VPCs, two subnets, and route table, right? So route table, yeah, by default it will be getting created, right? So this is VPC-A. This is VPC-A. This is VPC-A. Again, coming to this is VPC-B. This is VPC-B. VPC-B. So now I have created two. I have created two subnets and I have created one internet gateway also, and I have attached also. So now I'm coming to peering connection. You can see a peering. So now we are going to create a peering connection. So peering, peering from VPC A to VPC B. Okay. So who is the requester? Requester is a VPC A, and select another VPC to peer with. So it is in your account or another account. You can do with, you can try, you guys can try with another accounts also. And this region or another region. So I'm doing in same region only. And acceptor is VPC B. Again come down, create peering connection. So now peering connection is done. So I told manually we have to go accept it, right? So go to the peering connection. See here, pending acceptance. I kept both public. So in VPCB, I can take private IP and connect, right? Yeah, one is public and one is private. We'll connect public to private. Okay, just look. So pending is in acceptance. Okay, now I'll come here. Actions. So accept request. Now request is accepted. If you are not accepting, it will not communicate. So again, go to route tables. So I'll go to VPC-A again. So go to routes. In routes, edit routes. So I'll add route. This is public. I'll take VPC as public. So target will be internet gateway. Okay. Again, add route. So I have to take the destination of like a VPC B, VPC ID, because this both should communicate, right? So in VPC A, you have to give VPC ID, and VPC B, you have to give VPC A ID. Okay. So here I'm giving 172.16.0.0/16, and target is peering connection. See, if you don't go accept there, accept request, it will not show this one. So just give target, save changes. It got created. Again, come to route tables. Again, in VPCA, subnet association, edit. VPCA, save association. Okay. Again, coming to VPCB, routes. So what is VPCA ID? 10.0.0.0, right? It is /16. So I'm going to do peering connection. Again, come to route table, VPCB, come to subnet association, edit, VPCB, save changes. So all is done. So now we'll go to instance. So we have launched these both instances, right? Now these both should communicate with each other. So VPCA connect. Got connected. Now I'll go to VPCB. VPC private IP. I'm not copying public IP. It want to connect securely, privately. I'll take private IP. Then I'll get into root user. So I'll create a same here also abc.pem or anything you can create it. So it's just copy this file, get into insert mode, paste. Okay, done so much. Then after this, what did I tell you guys? So now we'll list we have abc.pem. Now we are going to change its permission. So what is the file name? So abc.pem. Okay, so now we'll connect it. SSH -i EC2, sorry. So private IP of, so private IP of this one. So it is SSH hyphen I is ABC file name or key name, sorry, and EC2 hyphen user at. So now there is a communication between VPCA and VPCB. So you can take VPCB, you can take it privately also. They just disable the traffic and just launch privately also. So you can take private IP and connect it.